Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I just wanted to do a real quick channel update. Now, these aren't very popular videos. I guess a lot of people don't really care what I'm up to in the shop. But for those of you, those die-hard followers that actually care to know what I'm up to, this is what we're up to. So I've just completed one side of this 30-pound sledgehammer that I've been working on, doing a bunch of engraving. I did a video on that already, and that should be released where I was talking a little bit about it. I did not film the entire process, as it was about 6 hours of engraving work on this particular hammer so far, and I've got about another 12 to 14 hours to go. So without waffling on too much about that, this is going to be a real quick video today. I hope to keep it in about 3 minutes, so set your clocks and go. Alright, so I recently did a video on what you would like to see me do next, and I had a heap load of great suggestions. I'll put the video right here to link to it if you want to take and see that video. Had tons of great suggestions, all of which I do plan on doing at some point in time, except for maybe the more simpler type things, as I've covered a lot of beginner fundamentals and basics on this channel. So if you were one of those people that suggested doing a lot of the more rudimentary type smithing, I've already got a slew of videos out there on that. Right now, currently, as the posting of this video, I should be sitting right around about 940 videos on the subject of blacksmithing on YouTube here. So, you know, that's another milestone. We're getting closer to 1,000 videos, which is Jessica and I's pretty big milestone that we're looking to achieve here on YouTube. It's just kind of a personal goal of mine. So what's this mean for the videos that are upcoming? So a lot of people have asked what has happened, and I'll probably just do a video on this at some point in time, or I'll just cover it here. I'll just cover it here. A lot of people have asked what has happened to the channel and why I don't do a whole lot of, how do I want to say, instructional videos, how-tos, things like that. I do plan on getting back to doing those. It's going to be done in a different way. I do plan on having long-term, like long-form content, if you will, that will be long videos. There'll be a long video, but there will be fewer and far between when it comes to that. Reason for that being is, by looking at the numbers, a lot of people just are not sitting through the entire video. They're not watching the whole video. They're watching about an average of about 4 to 6 minutes of the video on average, and then that's it. That's all they're watching of those type videos, and yeah, I think it's a turn-off for a lot of people on YouTube, as everybody seems to have that short attention span. So for those that like the longer videos, I will be doing longer videos, but I'll be coming out with some DVDs and some things like that that'll be long, several hour long DVDs that'll go deep dive, real in depth into things like forge welding and basics and more advanced stuff and lock work and all sorts of things like that. Things that you can expect from this channel on actual YouTube here is I will be posting shorter formed content of those videos, kind of more jam-packed or action-packed, and there will still be helpful hints and tricks and tips along the way. Let's see here. So I think I covered just about everything I wanted to cover, and that's 3 minutes there. If you guys have any other questions for me about where the channel's going, what you'd like to see next, things like that, you know, or comments, if you will, go ahead and drop them in the comment section down below. Most likely I will not respond to any of them. I will be, however, I do read every last comment that comes through. If I don't get around to a response, it's just because I'm busy. So summer is kind of slowly, gradually winding down here at Christ-Centered Ironworks, which is great news for video content, not so great news for business-wise, although I'm pivoting in my business to be offering some other things closer towards like home and hearth. That'll bring me to my last and final point. I'll go ahead and just throw this out here. There was also several suggestions been made over the past, I don't know, probably 5 or 6 months that Jessica and I should stop doing business related videos around business, and then there's been a lot of suggestions the other way. about that we should continue them, and somebody are finding about half and half. It's like a 50-50 mix kind of on that. And basically put, we are going to do the type of videos that we feel are helpful to the blacksmithing community and what makes our channel different. What makes our channel different is we're not afraid to take and go there. If you've thought it, if you've asked the question in your mind, we're not afraid to go there with you and answer that question. Whether that be around business, product development, whether that be around, you know, teaching, doing stuff at the forge, doing stuff at the grinder. You know, most of my business is just not in forging. You think you're going to just weld on hot lumps of steel? That's not going to happen all the time. You're going to have to invest a lot into finish work if you're going to take and make it as a professional blacksmith. So we cover a lot of that type of stuff on our channel, and it's what makes us interesting and different. Also, with the size channel that we are also, I take a lot of pride in the fact that Jessica and I are very approachable. Even at our size, even though there's over 4,000 emails and comments and things like that come in every single month without fail, we do our best to try to get back to as many people as we can. We're always there for you if you need prayer requests and things like that. And, you know, I take pride in that because, you know, it's so much more than just you guys out there on your own watching that. And I really want to take and develop a culture here on YouTube amongst all the blacksmiths, you know, like a family, and call it the Blacksmiths family, if you will. That's what it needs to be. We are an entire brotherhood, no matter what creed, color, race, religion, gender, whatever you are, you're under that same creed of the Blacksmiths family. And I think Jessica and I, you know, we really like to take and portray that on our channel. So with that being said, we appreciate everybody. If you can't stick around because, you know, we're doing business videos along with other videos, I understand there's a big wide world and internet out there for you. But I encourage you to be a part of the family. Be a part of the Blacksmith family. You don't have to feel obligated because you're subscribed to this channel to watch all of our videos, but just be a part of the community. Be a contributing member of the community, you know, and help people out with questions and things. And hey, if you know it, you know it, you know. Drop it in the comment section down below. If there's somebody that needs some help and they're asking a fundamental question, recommend one of my videos. Drop a link to a video that I've done, which maybe you've seen already, and you guys can take and help out in that way. As always, you can always subscribe, you can always ring the bell for notifications, you can share our content around, all that stuff. If you hit the like button or the dislike button, all that helps Jessica and I make better and better content. So that's it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this 7-minute long video since we started our clocks. Only 4 minutes over, but hey, that's nothing new for Roy. If you get a chance and you want to support this channel, go check out our Teespring store, or you can find all that conveniently located over at blacksmithpdfs.com. The links for that will be in the description down below. There's a lot of great things, power hammer plans and things of that nature down there, all to take and help you out in your shop and also support us so we can continue to make great content. So without further ado, God bless you all, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.